Hi, Mrs. McGuire here. Welcome to my back to school night video. I am here to talk about honors geometry, and just to let you know a little bit about myself, I have been teaching here at CCA since 2011, and I've been going to church here at Fort Lauderdale campus since 1997. My husband and I were dating at the time, and we did premaritals here at the church, and now we have 3 children, and now we attend the Boca Calvary where we live. But I don't mind the drive because I do just love this school and love this church, and I'm just so blessed to be a part of it and making disciples for His kingdom. So thank you for trusting me with your child, and I will do my best to guide them and direct them and teach them honors geometry that they need. We are using the Springboard curriculum here at CCA for our honors classes. It is a challenging curriculum. It has students engage in their learning. It has students discover what they're learning using their algebra skills. It has them explaining what they've learned, and so that can be quite a challenge, all of that together. Geometry in and of itself can be easier than algebra because you can visualize it. It's not so abstract, but it also can be more challenging because there's so much you can do with the concepts that we learn. When I give the students a concept in honors, I expect them to be able to apply it and to use it more than just the ways that I've shown them. So that can be a challenge for a lot of students. And also the explaining what they're learning, that can be another huge challenge for them. So you might see your student this year have to figure out how to study for math, and we'll work on that too. Or you might see, oh, they got a C or a D on a quiz, and hopefully not a test, but that's going to happen. And it's all a part of growing up and really rising to the challenges that they're facing in these higher levels of math. I do have help on Wednesdays after school, and help is not just for students that are struggling. It is a math study hall, and I will be here to help your students. The extra help is once a week. It's from 3:15 to 4 o'clock. But even if your student's not struggling and they just want to come and be a part of the time here just to study and just to get like good math vibe and hang out, not really hang out, but work with us, that's fine too. If you need me, if you have any other questions or concerns, you can email me at charism@ccaeagles.org. It's charism@ccaeagles.org. Pray for me, and I got a lot going on, as I know you do, but I just know that I pray for your students and that I do care for them, and so please reach out to me if you have any concerns. God bless. Hope you have a wonderful year.